Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this video, I will show you how to change auto lock settings on your iPhone 17. This setting controls how long your iPhone screen stays on before it automatically locks. Super useful if you want to save battery or stop your screen from dimming too quickly. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down a bit and tap on Display and Brightness. This is where you can adjust things like brightness, dark mode, and screen appearance. Now look for the auto lock option and tap on it. Here you will see a list of time durations: 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, all the way up to never. Select how long you want the screen to stay awake when you are not using it. If you want to save battery, go for 30 seconds or 1 minute option. If you are reading something and don't want the screen to dim quickly, pick 2 or 3 minutes. And if you're doing something like using your phone as a display or following a recipe, you can choose never, but remember, your screen will stay on until you manually lock it. If the auto lock option is grayed out, it means low power mode is on. To fix that, go back to the main settings page, tap on battery, and then turn off low power mode. Once it's off, you will be able to change auto lock again. And that's it. You have just learned how to change auto lock settings on your iPhone 17. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.